Google Stock Technical Analysis 2025 Mid-Year Forecast. A must-watch. Would you like to have some profits with stock trading? My last analysis resulted in a profit of more than 15%. Here is the last analysis of April 2025. And if we look closer, the entry of 153.05 got filled over here and resulted in 15.40% profits. I hope you took some profits there and increase your stop loss. I will post a link of the previous analysis in the description so you can check it out if you like. And for now, let's start at the monthly. And I would like to start with a clean chart. Current price is at $166.18. Here was the all-time high, $204 on the monthly. I will start adding some levels. So it tested the previous all-time high from November 2021 over here. And from the monthly, let's change to the weekly. We do have a monthly loss of the start of the impulse here to the all-time high. And let me change to the weekly. In the weekly, we do have weekly losses of this start of the impulse over here to the high. But a regain of the previous drop-off, the drop-off of $167. Okay. And from the weekly, I will change to the daily. On the daily, we do see an uptrend. Here's a daily loss of the start of the impulse to the high here, rejection. Okay. So if you're not in position yet, perhaps entry here at $161, trying to break that $174. And else the more defensive play is the entry at 154, trying to go up from there. And if I go back to the weekly, if the price managed to go up, and let's say test the $183 pullback with the entry at 171 for the continuation play, aiming to break 183. And else perhaps something like this. Then I would like to see a daily gain above 174, pullback with an entry around 167, trying to go up from there. So we have 4 potential scenarios for Google the coming days. So these are the price projections. Thanks for watching, enjoy your day, and see you in the next one. Latest.